Alright, Jackie, let her rip. Hit the gas. What's going on, guys? Today we have a car that needs repair, and this is for my lovely friend, my neighbor Jackie.
Yes, hello.
We've already taken the engine apart, and we have to get the head gaskets replaced. But I want to show you something. So I already tried to fix that, put some Blue Devil in it, and it just didn't work. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened. So here's the air intake manifold. This passageway is for coolant, and it's nice and clear. Look at the other side. This is that Blue Devil. It completely clogged it on both ends. Ironically, we're going to be using Blue Devil radiator flush to get rid of all the junk that built up in there. No. Interesting encounter with these push rods right here. So these are the air intake holes. If you can see an air intake hole and put your finger there, a short push rod goes there. So we can stick our finger back here. Okay, so that gets a short one. Stick our finger back there. That one gets a short one. The long ones are for the exhaust. Anyway, I'm gonna leave a diagram right here so that you can follow that, and it'll be a lot easier for you. Now let's go ahead and put the air intake back on. we went to go test the vehicle. All the fuel was just spewing out everywhere. Every single one of these fuel injector O-rings is corroded and crud. I went to O'Reilly's, told them the model of the car, and I got 2 packs of O-rings. It was 12 bucks. Alright, so we got the O-rings back in place. The fuel line has been reinstalled, and we'll see if there's any leaks. Okay, go ahead. Beautiful. There's no leaks. That's very good. Do it again. Okay, so we have 0 leaks. This is awesome. Cool. In order to put this radiator flush into the coolant line, can't have any coolant in it. It has to be totally drained out. So now it's time to change the oil. We're also going to be putting some Seafoam in there. Basically a 1/4 of a can for every engine. We just then dump the rest of it straight into the gas. So these 2 relays are the fan that cools down the radiator. And then take a look at this. That right there is our problem. Alright, so I went to a salvage yard, got another one of these. So I cut the wires off of these one at a time, and then I spliced them onto the new one. And now we're just gonna connect it all back together and see what happens. So her air conditioning coolant was low, so we're just adding some more. And then there are the fans. They kick right on. Are you serious? No way. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna test it out.
Yay!
Oh, yeah.
I'm so excited.
I just can't hide it.
Oh my gosh. Everything that's happening right now. God is good.
God is great. So as I'm driving this thing, I can actually notice that there's a little bit of shaking. But if you guys want to help out and you guys buy one of my t-shirts, then I'll be able to go and get the parts. If you guys want to support this, if you want to help out and get more videos like this out there, I need your help. You go down below and you buy one of my t-shirts, then I'll be able to get everything else replaced. I'll be able to go help other people. I've got so many other ideas, but I need your help. So go ahead, check out the link below and get one of my t-shirts, and we'll keep making videos just like this. What do you guys say, Miss Jackie?
I gotta say, life is good.
Life is good. I say life is good, Jackie.
Life is good.
Life is good.
Yes.
Should they subscribe?
Definitely subscribe.
Definitely
this guy knows what
subscribe.
he's doing.
Alright. Like and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your